Hey guys, it's Gabby. So we're gonna jump straight into today's video. I just took my hair down from the Bantu knots that I had in previously, and we are just gonna jump into our next protective style. I feel like my hair is in good enough condition to do so, so that is what we're doing today. All right, so if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. All right, so what you see me doing here is I am separating the front section from the back section on both the left and the right. And I like to work with sections just because my hair is so thick and so coarse, it just makes the whole entire process easier. All right, so here is a look at the back section. As you can see, I've split it straight down the middle, and we are just going to work with one section at a time. So I'm just going to use my ouchless band to tie up this section here and just focus on the left section. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my favorite product, this Shine and Gem Conditioning Gel Extra Hold, and we are going to go ahead and just take this product and smooth it around the perimeter of this section. Now, I don't want to apply this product to within the sections, like the inside of my natural hair, only around the perimeter, just to give me that extra shine, that extra smoothness to my hair that I would normally get if I were to just start a French braid from the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna smooth it through the entire perimeter, and then we're gonna take a medium to hard bristle brush and just brush it through, making sure that we get the ultimate smoothness. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I want to make my hair smooth in the back, so just alter my texture a little bit with the gel, and then we're going to start to a French braid. All right, now with the French braid, I am going to just do a normal French braid, but I am smoothing it with my pointing finger as I go through. And I did go ahead and speed up this process just because my hair is so thick, and honestly it took a decent amount of time for me to get through this entire process. But once I was done, I looked in the mirror, it was definitely worth it. So this section looks really smooth, really defined, and we're going to repeat this process on the other section as well. So as you can see, I am securing the sections at the end with a rubber band, and then we're just going to tie them up in the back, kind of crisscross them, and I'm just going to secure them in place with a bobby pin on both sides. All right, so that is how my hair is looking. I definitely love how shiny and defined my hair looks. So now it's time to move on to the front section. So as I mentioned earlier, I am doing an updo, so it's going to require me to sleek down my hair in front. And so I'm just going to take it section by section, and we're going to start with detangling first with our wide tooth comb. Next, we're going to apply the Shine and Gem Conditioning Gel straight onto the hair, both the front and the back, to make sure that that entire section gets saturated and smooth. And we're just going to go ahead and complete this exact same process along the rest of the sections, making sure to use a generous amount of product, not too much, because it does slightly harden as you apply this product throughout more and more sections. And also be sure to take out your edges because you want to lay them towards the end of the tutorial when you're all done smoothing the sections through. All right, so I'm going to take out my edges here. And I'm just going to continue this process throughout this entire section, and I'll come back once this process has been completed. All right, so I am just wrapping up this section, and I love how smooth this product gets my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure it in place with an ouchless band, making sure that I tuck all of my hair in. And this is the finished result. So I hope you guys see how smooth this product has gotten my thick, coarse, 4C hair. All right, so now it's time to move on to my edges. I am going to smooth the same product, the Shining Gem, directly to my edges. Now this product reminds me of the Eco Styler gel. It makes my hair smooth, but not hard like other gels. So that is why I love to use this product. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just smooth it through on my edges. And next we're going to follow up with the hair mousse. I mentioned the name of this hair mousse in my previous video. It works so well with the Shining Gem, and I just love combining these products together. It just creates a nice, smooth, sleek, finished product. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to apply this product and then smooth it through with my edge brush. And then at the end of this process, I'll wrap it up for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll come back. Now, while my hair is drying, I'm going to do my ponytail. So I'm starting off with the Freetress Braid 2X Wand Curl Braid in the color 1B. This is the teeny curl pattern. And here is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take a single strand and I'm going to try to find the middle of this strand. It was a little difficult, but after a few tries, I did find the middle. And so I'm basically able to stretch it out there and take the strands, even them out, and apply it around the ouchless band and just tie it into a knot like you see there. All right, so it looks really nice, really beautiful. I can't wait to unravel it, but I'm going to show you how I did that on another strand as well. And actually I found that this one was a lot easier to separate, so I'm just going to repeat that lock the same way. All right, and that is how it looks. So yeah, this is all of the hair, and I'm gonna split it into two before I put it onto my head, and then I will separate it further once I have it on top of my head. All right, so we are going to remove the wrap. As you can see, my edges are laid and ready to go, and we're gonna apply our do-it-yourself ponytail right on top. All right. So after wrapping it about 3 or 4 times, as you can see, it needs to be fluffed. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and just fluff it as much as possible. I really want it to get as big as possible and to look as natural as possible, okay? All right, so I'm just going to continue to fluff this ponytail, and then I'll come back with the finished result. All right, so now that I'm done separating the section, I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit with my hands, and honestly, this turned out even better than I imagined. I love the curl pattern, and I'm gonna come in for a close-up so you can see it up close and personal. It looks really, really beautiful. It meshes really well with my natural 4C hair, and I just love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I'm definitely satisfied. I love how it creates the horseshoe shape in the back, and I'm gonna fluff it up in a little bit so you can see the entire back section and how it turned out. But this style was just something that I came up with at the very last minute. I am super excited to share this video with you guys. I really hope that you try this hairstyle and that it inspires you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.